Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the engine oil and oil filter on Seat Leon 1.4i. This is the engine that I'm going to replacing the engine oil on. First I'm going to loosen the oil filler cap, just leave it in there. Next I'm going to go underneath the car and drain the engine oil. This is the oil drain plug, and the oil filter is located right there on the front of the engine. To get access to the oil filter, first I'm going to remove this engine under tray. It's held by 6 or 7 Torx bolts that we need to remove. Next I'm going to drain the engine oil. I'm going to remove the oil drain plug. First I loosened it, now I'm going to remove it and drain the oil. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. While the oil is draining, next I'm going to remove the old oil filter and replace it with a new one. This oil filter I'll be able to loosen it with a socket size 32 and long extension. Just turn it anti-clockwise until it loosens and then I'll remove it. As the oil filter removed, now I'm going to replace it with a new one. This is the new oil filter that I'm going to put on. I'm again going to tighten it with this ratchet. Now that the engine oil has drained, I'm going to put on the drain plug and tighten it. Next I'll show you in the service manual all the information you need for the engine oil. For this car, the filling capacity is 3.2 liters, the tightening torque for the sub-drain bolt is 30 Newton meters, and next I'll show you the engine oil grade and classification recommended for this car at certain temperatures. Next I'm going to fill up the engine with oil, with about 3.2 liters of oil. This is the oil that I'm using. After I fill up the engine with about 3.2 liters, maybe a little bit less than that, next I'll start the engine, and afterwards I'm going to check the oil level on the dipstick. When we start the engine, the oil filter will be filled with oil, and then it will show the right amount of oil, and this is the oil dipstick right there. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.